Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Yosritzal from Andalas University. My presentation today is Attitude of Cycling Enthusiasts to Cycle to Work Policy in Padang City, Indonesia. This research was conducted by me and Muhammad Azikri. The background of this research is because traffic volume on the main roads shows a substantial increase. It is reaching about 10% per year in Padang City. And it is feared that in the next 5 years, traffic jam will spread throughout the city. And then as the volume and congestion increase, air pollution become higher and will penetrate the tolerant limits of the human body. And therefore, one of the best solutions is to encourage people to use active transport such as cycling, walking, and etc. And in Padang City, we will establish a cycle to work policy for public and private employees. Why we choose cycle to work? Because there are many benefits of cycling to human body, such as cycling improve cardiovascular and aerobic fitness, lowers blood pressures, boosts energy, and also biking to work makes you happier. Research question is, will the cycle to work policy be successful when implemented in the city of Padang, and will it be supported by the cyclist enthusiasts in Padang? The research objective is to investigate the prospect of applying a cycle to work policy in Padang City. As we already know, some of us already know that Padang is challenged to be a livable city in 2024. It is mentioned in many speeches of the city mayor, Buya Mahyaldi. The methodology of the research is as follows. Data was obtained from a Likert type questionnaire survey in 2018. Surely it is before the pandemic, and the sampling is bicyclist enthusiasts in Padang of total 300 people. The data were analyzed descriptively and will be compared with other similar studies as mentioned in our literature review in the paper. The question that we asked respondents in the questionnaire is about the first situation and condition when the trip made, including weather, time, luggage, distance, body fit, and activity. And the second, security and comfortable factors such as the availability of cycle line facilities, comfortable and security feeling. And the third one is the perceived benefit of cycling to the rider, including for health, age restriction, socialize, easiness, and reduction in cost. The fourth is whether bikers are happy with the bike to work program and will support it. This is the features of our sample in terms of gender. Mostly our respondents are male, about 67%, and female 33%. In terms of age, the respondent is from 20 to 60 years old, and most of them are graduated from undergrad or diploma education. And in terms of job, most of them are public service, army, police, and state company employee. It is almost 86% of the respondents. The result of the study shows that about 67% of respondents said that they use bicycle less than 1 hour a day, and only 27% use bicycle 1 to 2 hours a day. In terms of the transportation means they usually use from home to work is 47% using motorcycle and 32% using car, and only 16% use public transport and 2% use bicycle. This is the result of the questionnaire, the Likert scale questionnaire. The blue one is strongly disagree, the orange somewhat disagree, the gray one somewhat agree, and the yellow one strongly agree. When we look at the picture, we can easily understand that most of respondents somewhat agree or strongly agree with all of the statement. The finding of this study, the study found that time, distance, and activities to conduct at the destinations influence the willingness to use a bicycle. Number of luggage, weather, and body fitness did not significantly influence the trip. The security and the comfort of the trip have less effect to the attitude of the cycle to work. However, the availability of the cycle line facility does profoundly influence the attitude. All respondents are happy if the program is implemented by the government and will support the initiative. As they have a positive attitude toward the cycle to work, they will encourage people to do cycle to work as well. And the respondents are confident that cycle to work program will significantly reduce the traffic volume in the main route of Padang. It is not surprising that the majority of respondents pleaded that they use bicycle less than 1 hour a day. Maybe it is because in Padang no bicycle line was established and no specific policy to ensure the safety of the cyclists. However, when the policy of cycle to work is launched by the government, it is more likely to be supported by the cyclists and the groups because it's indirectly the environmental sustainability will be supported. The findings of this study are similar with many studies which has been mentioned in our paper, that the facility of cycle line which completely separated from the other traffic will be more appreciated by the cyclists because it is more safety than mixed traffic. In conclusion, an investigation into the attitude of bicycle enthusiasts in Padang to cycle to work has been conducted, and the study found that majority of the respondents showed their interest and positive attitude to the program. The most critical factors in encouraging the cycle to work is availability of cycle line facilities. Therefore, when the mayor of Padang City would like to implement this cycle to work policy, the cycle lane facilities should be provided. Thank you very much. That's all of my presentation today. Should you have any question, you can ask me through my email or through my phone number. Please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.